G'day guys, welcome. I'll be your pilot today. My name's Sam and we'll be flying around the Uluru National Park. So it's about a 30-minute ride, so sit back and relax and we'll be on our way. We're coming inbound to Katajuda now, so as we're climbing up we'll be looking at the Valley of the Winds and also the Walpa Gorge. So there's 36 stones, it covers about 32 square kilometres. 546 metres tall, the back left peak there, named after a German queen, Queen Olga, back in 1872, so discovered by Ernest Giles. The traditional name, Katajuda, means many heads. So if you're looking just straight ahead now, we've got Ayers Rock, Uluru coming into view. It stands about 348 metres tall, about 9.4 kilometres around the base. Those sediment layers you can see have been flipped up onto its side over about 4 billion years. Thanks so much for flying with us today, and I hope you enjoy your stay.